The Stoke Factory is teaming up with Texas Ski Ranch to bring a game-changing experience to the heart of Texas. Nestled perfectly between Austin and San Antonio, in the vibrant New Braunfels area, Texas Ski Ranch has long been a destination for action sports enthusiasts. And now we're taking it to the next level by adding the new unit surf pool. This is more than just a pool, it's the birth of a new surf community. A community that will draw in a fresh wave of customers eager to catch their first ride or hone their skills.
The people you teach are customers for life. They learn at your place, they're probably gonna buy a board from your place. You're basically creating a family and a culture around your park.
We've also figured out how to really do the beginner sessions in a way that is creating a lot of revenue and an amazing amount of repeat customers.
So let's say you've never surfed before. There's no paddling in, there's no learning curve to getting on the wave. Of course, you've got to balance once you're on there. Anytime you can get a first-time rider up surfing within the first 5 minutes, you have a really good technology.
But this wave, you surf forever. I mean, that's the thing about Unit. You can surf forever. You surf for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And you can practice your tricks over and over and over again. It's such a great invention.
Imagine a destination where the Texas spirit of adventure meets the thrill of the ocean. A place that creates a loyal and repeat customer culture, bringing people back again and again to experience the Stoke. This collaboration isn't just about adding a surf pool. It's about redefining who we are and what we offer. We're expanding our reach, connecting with new demographics, and inviting people of all ages to be part of something truly unique.
I think it's going to be a great tool for athletes, for Olympic trainers, for surf trainers, and it's going to open up every single state to produce surf pros. I think it's going to change the face of a lot of these small towns, because I think surfing, it changes the dynamic of any city.
So 9 years ago, this was a big field. Now there's 2 million square feet of retail.
And New Braunfels is already changing and booming, with 2 giant housing tracts going in right next door as we speak. With thousands of new homes, these communities will have direct access to TSR through golf cart pathways. This is huge for us in Texas Ski Ranch. This can total in upwards of 20 to 40,000 new patrons to the park on a regular basis. Texas Ski Ranch also hosts a myriad of big events, from cook-offs to cable events to concerts. All of these will only be enhanced with the addition of a surfable 6-foot standing wave. In addition, we predict that our bottom line will continue to grow, allowing us to further utilize more of the TSR land for more attractions, further adding value to this project. Another added value is all this will be documented for a streaming docu-series called Empire of Surf, adding another level of market visibility for a better bottom line. We know what waves can do for a community. They build passion, drive economic growth, and bring people together in a way that few things can. We're excited to see New Braunfels evolve into a surf hub right here in the heart of Texas. By introducing the Unit Surf Pool, Texas Ski Ranch will welcome a whole new crowd. People who crave the thrill of surfing, whether they're seasoned pros or curious beginners. This new demographic means more local engagement, a boost to the economy, and a stronger community culture. This isn't just about entertainment. It's about raising the bar for New Braunfels and the surrounding area. By bringing waves to this landlocked community, we're leveling up the local culture and creating new opportunities for everyone. With the Stoke Factory and Texas Ski Ranch coming together, we're not just adding a pool, we're adding energy, passion, and a new heartbeat to the area, a surf community in the making. Join us at Texas Ski Ranch, where adventure never stops and the waves are just getting started. The Stoke Factory and Texas Ski Ranch, bringing the ocean to the heart of Texas.